Investing in real estate, short-term or long-term rentals, which is right for you. So are you considering real estate investments but torn between short-term and long-term rentals? In this video, I will compare the two investment strategies, helping you to make an informed decision. So stay tuned for valuable insight and don't forget, subscribe to the channel for more on real estate wisdom. Hey there, future real estate moguls. It's Keji, your friendly investor realtor. And today I am tackling one of the most important decisions for your real estate investments in real estate investors. Short-term rental versus long-term rentals. So let's explore the pros and cons of each and help you decide which one aligns with your goal. First, let's define short-term rental. Of course, you know this, but we're going to do it anyway. A short-term rental is a furnished living space available for short periods of time, from a few days to a few weeks, right, or months. Short-term rentals are also commonly known as vacation rentals and are considered an alternative to a hotel. Of course, you know, Airbnb has made short-term rental very popular, and because of this, a lot of investors are making this part of their investment strategies. So let's begin with short-term rentals. What are the pros and cons? So first, the pros of short-term rentals. Higher income potential. Yeah, you get more money when you do short-term rental. You generate more income per night when you compare it to the long-term leases. No comparison, you get more money with short-term rentals. Second, flexibility. So you can use your property yourself or block of days for friends and family, especially if your property is in a resort or vacation location, right? Third, tax benefits. You may be eligible for tax deduction related to your short-term rental properties. Of course, you pay rent, you pay taxes on the income, right? But you know, it all evens out. What about the cons of short-term rentals? More management. When you're doing short-term rentals, it requires more hands-on management, including cleaning and guest communication, because you have a lot of guests coming in and out. Second is the vacancy. There can be periods of vacancy between guests, impacting cash flow. So if you depending on that cash flow, it can affect you. So let's now look at long-term rental. Of course, you know, these are properties that are rented to a tenant for an extended period of time, typically 1 year or more. So what are the pros and cons of long-term rental? So let's start with the pros. The pros are stability. When you have a long-term lease, you have stability, consistent rental income monthly. Second is less management. They require less day-to-day management when you compare it to short-term rental, right? You still be a landlord, but it's less management. Third is the lower turnover. With long-term leases, 12 months, you can deal with fewer turnovers. And many times, the 1 year can turn to 5 years. I've seen it. What about cons of long-term rental? Lower income per month is generally lower than short-term rentals. Very lower than short-term rentals. Limited personal use. Of course, if this property is in a resort area and you rent it, you're not going to use it because you have a tenant in there. So, which is right for you? Short-term or long-term rental? Before you decide, right, you want to take some time to assess your investment goals, risk tolerance, and how hands-on you want to be as a landlord. Research the real estate market in your area. You want to contact a trusted realtor, Keji here, or financial advisor for your personal finance advices, right, on your tax return. Thank you for watching. If you find this comparison helpful, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget subscribe to the channel to continue to get more insights on real estate. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you. So your investment journey is just beginning. I'm here to help you every step of